welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel.
We're gonna making a seafood boil. I'm gonna show you how I make mine at home for cheaper than if you go out to Boiling Crab. So first you got your big ass pot. I put 4 huevos and we only have 3 corn left. Walmart, which is this extra sweet one. And then we got our king crab from Sam's Club. And then we got some shrimp from Walmart. Some crawfish from Walmart. Cajun style. This is the only one I get. It has to be this one. This one's from Walmart. And then we got this little pack of imitation crab because my daughter likes crab. And like, these are expensive. So like, she gets a little dupe, you know? And then we just went and got some snow crab legs from Winco. These ones cost $20.09. We used to get them at Winco, our king crab and everything, but they stopped doing that. So yeah. But yeah, so we're just gonna wait for this to boil. Let's put the lid on. I'm gonna fry up our sausage. Alrighty, we got sausage like this. You see that shape? While that sausage is cooking, let's get to cooking. Oh, gotta take off the reel. Take off like all that like white, like this cheese. Half a bag. So very can't even see.
Clap these cheeks.
Yeah. These ones come pre-cut. You can see. Okay, they all washed. This is all done. We steaming at least. Whole bag. Okay, now that all the crawfish is in there, just let it boil for about 15 minutes. And then I'm gonna put in the crab legs. And then we're gonna make our sauce. Now I have to cook my shrimp in the sauce. I don't need to boil it. And that was cooking grill. And a little snow grill. Alright. Sprinkle that shit in this parsley. 20 minutes because it's not boiling.
Alrighty, y'all, this is how I made the sauce. I got paprika, cayenne, garlic powder, onion powder, parsley, lemon pepper, and Old Bay. You could do about like a tablespoon each, but do less cayenne pepper if you don't want it as spicy. You see how it changes from translucent to pinky or white, and that's how you know it's done. And here we are, all finished. And we did have a friend trying to stay. He said, "Don't eat me," but we did. Here's the finished results. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.